Hey, what's going on? Hey, we're out here west of Phoenix, out in the desert, on a dead-end road with a cul-de-sac, and this is where all the boys are riding today. I'm telling you what, motorcycle culture out in Arizona is absolutely amazing. This is so great to see. Everybody out here having fun. It's just awesome. I'm just excited to hang out with everybody today, get to know some more people, and Nick, you're gonna get some more content here of Slick and the boys riding too, right? So I guess stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be a good day.
Unreal. This guy pulled up right next to us, and he's like, "Hey man, just wanted to come introduce myself. You know, I've been watching you for a while, whatever." He's like, "Oh, I like the 18 on the Harley model, blah, blah, blah." And I'm like, "Oh, you got an 18-inch, you know, back wheel?" He's like, yeah. Like, "You don't have any takeoffs, do you?" Because Trent gave me a Metzler, which is like super grippy. But I was like, that's better than nothing. Yeah. This guy's like, "Hell yeah, I got a whole bunch of them."
No way.
He pulled up, and I was like, shit.
So I'm Trent, by the way. Yep, I know I'm being last time.
Pool hall, quarter a ball, pick your stick hanging on the wall. Aim slow, shoot it low, fall for it all when you never know there's a plan. Hey, won't roll straight, scratch every match and you're easy paid for a cue shot. Shooting his mark to a payday giveaway in the dark. Lucy and your man's a better rambling. What will he be bringing home to you? On the wings that sing of a whiskey, wine, and gambling. The eagle scream no sooner than he flew. Said and get hip till you're in it back. 13 and showing green, but rough ain't enough with the pockets clean. Red 10 won't let you in, so you pull out, hold down again to the bar shark. Healing his mark to a dead giveaway in the dark. Lucy and your man's a better rambling. What will he be bringing home to you? On the winds that sing of a whiskey, wine, and gambling. The eagle scream no sooner than he flew. Go to heaven on a lucky shot. It's all the same. Bad price, snake eyes twice, get burned till you learn what you sacrifice to a crowd. Shark rolling his mark to a dead giveaway in the dark. Lucy and your man's a better man. What will it be bringing home to you? On the winds
No tire. Blown off.
What if I bought ice cream and you already had ice cream? We had too much ice cream.
Is there really such? No, don't be trying to reverse psychology. There's never too much ice cream.
Yeah.